it's me, Abby, and my good friend Penny the piano is here too.
Welcome back, friends!
Welcome back to Abby's Piano Room. Did you get a chance to practice hot cross buns from last time? That was so fun! Today we're going to learn another very special song, one that you might already know and love. Can you guess it? It goes like this. Twinkle, twinkle, little star. Yes, that's right. It's Twinkle, Twinkle, Little Star. Before we begin, let's check which numbers we'll be using for this song. We'll use these numbers on the piano. Can you count up to 6 with me? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Great job! We will break this song up into 3 sections. Let's learn the first part of the song. Section A. We'll play this pattern. Let's play this together 3 times. 1, 2, ready? Go! Again. Last time. Great job! Now let's move on to the next part. Section B. Here's the pattern. Now let's practice this section 3 times. 1, 2, ready? Go! Again. Last time. Now let's move on to the last section, Section C. First, let's have a listen. Now let's practice this section 3 times. 1, 2, ready? Go! Again. Last time. Awesome work! Now, let's play the whole song from beginning to end. First, do you see this castle? We'll go on a quest to a faraway land. We are on a piano adventure. 1, 2, ready? Go! You did an amazing job today! This song uses more notes than our last one, so take your time and practice it throughout the week. Even if it feels tricky at first, remember, every note you play is helping you grow into a piano superstar. Just keep playing this around 3 times each day. Next time, we'll learn a new song and keep building our skills. Until then, keep practicing, keep smiling, and remember, you are becoming a piano maestro. One key at a time. You've got this. Bye, friends.
Bye, everyone!
Don't forget to come back next week for your next lesson. Want to keep the fun going after this lesson? I've got a special activity just for you. Click the link below to get your free coloring page and music worksheet. You can use the song to practice your little group. See you next time!